Side fairings are the next to remove. There are two screws. One is down there and the other one is up here. Both needs Allen key, size of 4 millimeters. After the screw is removed, it's very easy to detach the side panel. You simply need to lift it up. Next step, we remove the side panel support. It's held by 4 screws. 3 are up here and the 4th one is down there, and it's supported by a rubber element. That's quite tricky because it needs 24 millimeter wrench, and it only supports it from one position, as I experienced, from here. So that's it. Okay. The upper ones are quite easy to remove. After you remove the screws, you need a flat screwdriver to detach these 3 upper parts from these Velcro elements. Gently. These parts are adhered to the tank fairing, and now support is out. Same for the other side. Next step is to remove the conveyors. These are supported by 2 screws under this cover. So first we remove the cover and 2 screws for the left, 2 screws for the right. And these are 3 millimeter screws. It's easy to unscrew them. The conveyor is supported by hooks that are practically invisible, so we need to use the flexibility of the plastic and move the conveyor forward as we can. That's it. The installation will be the real trick. Installing back the side panel support. First, the position, there's a fin. This is one of the meeting points. And the other ones are these Velcro. But let's pull the vibration damper through the hole. Okay, it's done. And then let's apply the screws. I'm going to 3 smaller screws here. The bigger one here. When the panel is in position, push the Velcro area. Put the support in position. Now let's tighten smaller screws to a torque of 2 Nm. Two, 3, it's done. And the lower one we need hexagonal wrench to hold the bushing part while I tighten the screw to a torque of 5 Nm. That's it. Procedure is same for the other side. For the side panel, the screw position is here, and for the other one it's here. So installing it means that simply hook it up. And that's it. Let's install the screws. For the other one I need some extension because it's more uncomfortable place. For installing them, tighten them to torque of 2 Nm. Nice and light. Okay, and 2 Nm. Let's repeat it on the other side. Final step is to install the conveyors. For that, let's lower this lift. Let's remove the safety pin and the rod. And lower the bike. For installing the conveyor, we have to find these points these two fins, and there's the hole, and there are the opposite points on the conveyor itself. Let's put it in position and push it backwards. You can feel it that these two fins are in position, and then we have to find place for this one also. Now that's in position. And now it's in position. We've got 4 screws to fix the conveyors, so let's screw them in. And tighten them to a torque of 2 Newton meters. After the screws are tightened, install the cover by simply pushing it in.